And I noticed that a lot of early morning Caleños love to run up this thingamajig. I'm definitely gonna do it with my Timbs on. You know how we do in New York, son. We gotta do it. You can do this, Nate. Y'all know very well y'all can't lift that up. What? Y'all pulling that? What? What? All right, y'all shut me up.
This is the most basic step. We're gonna both do the same step for now. So we're gonna go forward with the left, replace back on the right, and then close left foot to right foot and switch way. Now back onto the right, replace on the left, close right foot to left foot and switch way. That's all it is.
Step up once, step back once, go back to the center, step left once, step right once. Don't think it's going to be that bad. Let me take down some notes. Should be able to handle this. It is no secret that Caleños love salsa. One could even say that they eat, breathe, and sleep salsa. But where exactly did salsa come from? How did it become so big in Cali, Colombia? Salsa didn't originate in Cali despite how attached with the dance its people may seem. Rather, it was brought over from the dance halls of New York and Cuba by American Navy sailors who docked at the Colombian port of Buenaventura throughout the late 1960s. The fad quickly spread across the country, with Caleños becoming the most eager to adopt the trend. Just like how the Bronx in NYC was the birthplace of hip-hop, residents from the barrios of Cali adopted salsa and made it their own, with many salsatecas and dance schools all over the barrios throughout the city, many of which are still home to the best performers today. So ethnicity also did play a big role into the creation of salsa in Cali, largely due to its prominent population of African descent, many of which not interested in traditional Cuban style of salsa, which was considered too slow and romantic at this time. These energetic and fun-loving people blended in their own musical influences to form an entirely new subgenre. Salsa in Cali quickly became famous due to its faster and more lively beats, accompanied by lightning quick shimmies and spins. History also does say that the Cali cartel did play a role into this. In the underground world, they used to have big parties for salsa during the weekends, and this was to satisfy the large appetite for salsa dancing. Though that is a small part of history, with them gone, Cali and its residents continue to grow and thrive together, with salsa and Cali being the capital of the world for salsa. I want to give a huge shout out to the professional salsa instructors that I was able to learn from. Jennifer, Maribel, as well as Alexander. I will be posting their Instagrams in this video. Please be respectful when you contact them if you want some salsa lessons in Cali. They have a lot of knowledge, they have a lot of skill, and they are patient with you. Thank you very much for watching this video. I definitely had a blast doing some salsa. As you can see, I failed a bunch, and I'm not ashamed that I did salsa bad, but it just proves to show that I will get better. And this is just the beginning. Salsa, it's fun. Salsa is good to get close with the culture of the Caleños, and it's a good thing. You will lose weight because you will be moving super fast, and if you want to keep up with these ladies, you're gonna have to be in shape. All right, don't be like Nate. Lose some pounds. But thank you very much for watching this video. Remember to check out the website NIYS for further updates and tips. Be sure to comment on this video, share this video with friends and family, like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell anytime you want to stay up to date with Nate in Your State videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Keep eating, keep exploring, and I'll hit you up next time.